Today, we'll learn how to edit a widget library. First, open an Ant Design widget library. You can see the widgets pane on the left with organized folders and pages, such as Common, Layout, and Tabs. Then, in the Libraries pane, select the Ant Design widget library, which is the document we've just opened. You can see various types of elements loaded. Among them, the Common type corresponds to the Common folder mentioned above, and the Layout type corresponds to the Layout folder. If we want to move an element from the button page to the Common folder, we can copy that element, add a new page under the Common folder, and then paste the element there. In the same way, we can copy and paste any desired element into the Common folder. Save the file, exit Axure, and then reopen the file to load the widget library. You can see that the element you just added is now in the Common folder. By doing this, you can customize your widget library. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.